Coming up in today's video, I do a review of using virgin hair fertilizer on my natural hair for 40 days, showing you before and after, also talking to you about how to use the product to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. So let's come on and get into today's video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. To all my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you to everyone who's been watching me for a while. And I really appreciate each and everyone watching. Every like, every comment, everything is a blessing, showing me that the hard work that I do on the channel is appreciated. So really thank you from the bottom of my heart. So if you've been following my channel, you know that I'm on a natural hair journey this year to grow my hair, and I've been using mini braids to do so. And about 45 days ago, I started using virgin hair fertilizer on these mini braids. Now in my last mini braids challenge, I also used virgin hair fertilizer, so do go ahead and check out my previous playlist on my channel and you will see how my hair grew last time using just virgin hair fertilizer. This time I'm combining it with cloves, and I've just done a cloves 40-day review, and also I've got a playlist about cloves, so also check that out as a natural alternative to using virgin hair fertilizer to grow your hair. As you can see, I've got a few problem areas on my hair, including my edges, which changes based on my hormones. So sometimes they disappear, sometimes they come back. But virgin hair fertilizer really helps to grow your edges. So I'm first of all applying the product to my edges. You do not have to use a lot of the product. I use quite a lot because I only put it in my hair twice a week. But if you're going to do it much more often than that, I would say use a smaller amount of this product. Only that I use it twice a week, and I use my cloves in between that as well. So yes, my mini braids have been in for 6 weeks now, and they are looking really scraggy. And this is not really reviewing mini braids. I've got a separate video of using mini braids for 6 weeks coming up, but this is just about this product. So don't really mind the state of the mini braids too much, but focus on the scalp. So I'm just getting a small amount of the product and applying it to my scalp. I've talked to you about how to use virgin hair fertilizer in other videos. Once again, if you check out the playlist, you will know, but I'm just using it straight from the tube, so it's quite hard. So I'm just using it like a grease form, but you can obviously melt down the product to be able to use it as an oil form. Both forms are absolutely fine on your scalp. Now the main benefits that I see from virgin hair fertilizer, just in this quick review, is that it does grow my natural hair. I've definitely had more growth than when I didn't apply this product. So that's the first benefit. You are going to see that it grows your hair, and as I said, especially in places like your edges where you might be having bald patches, etc., it will grow back your hair, and it will also speed up growth in other areas of your hair. So it's something that I completely recommend. It's something that I've used for many years, and I would say as a growth aid, it's probably my number one or two. So it's really up there, and I don't really alternate between lots of growth aids. I'm using cloves because I'm trying to get a bit more natural, so probably cloves is number one at the moment, but I always try to go back to virgin hair fertilizer because it really does grow my hair. The second benefit I get from using virgin hair fertilizer is for my scalp, because I have dandruff prone dermatitis on my scalp. The sulfur in the virgin hair fertilizer really helps to calm that down. So that's the two main benefits: the growth and really controlling the amount of dandruff that I get on my scalp. So the two drawbacks then, the main drawbacks that I get from the product is the grease. Obviously it's very thick and it's clogging my pores, so it means I've got to wash my hair more often when I'm using this product. Washing your hair is not bad, and especially in the summer, that's okay, but do be aware that you are putting grease on your scalp and it's potentially clogging your pores. So do wash your hair a bit more and try to use a moisturizing balanced shampoo. Really, I wouldn't say too much of a clarifying shampoo, because clarifying your hair so much whilst using this product might actually strip your hair and make it dry. But try to find a good balanced shampoo. Now I've said that the shampoos that they sell at the supermarket for very cheap price, that's a really good balance of a shampoo, and I would recommend using that when you are using virgin hair fertilizer. If you've gotten this far in the video, I'd really appreciate if you do subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Also give this video a like and leave me a comment down below if you are on this braids challenge, first of all. Also, if you've ever used virgin hair fertilizer, if you considered using it, and if you've got any questions about virgin hair fertilizer, I'm happy to answer them down below in the comments. Thank you very much. So I've covered a bit about how to use this product, including melting it or just using it as I am in sort of the grease form. You could also mix this product with other things. I have done so in the past. You can mix it with castor oil, and I might just do a recipe just to show you how to do that. Very, very, very easy. So mixing it with castor oil obviously gives you the added benefit of castor oil, also thickening up your hair. And I've shown you on my playlist before and after pictures of using virgin hair fertilizer. But coming up towards the end of this video, I actually give you measurements and I show you the growth. I'm so excited to show you virgin hair fertilizer grows your natural hair. Your natural 4C hair can grow using this product. So once again, my mini braids are looking fuzzy. I have washed them up to 3 times since you've seen the installation, and so that's why they are fuzzy. But my natural hair texture is naturally fuzzy, and that's absolutely fine. I've been wearing these braids mainly in buns, etc. But I do have a review of wearing mini braids for 6 weeks coming up, so do look out for that video. So now let's go ahead and get into some of the measurements that I've got, all the growth that I've got for this product, just to show you that it really does work on your natural hair. I've got my tape measure, and I do want to say before I do this measurement that everybody's hair is different, and also your hair could be going through growth phases or phases where it's not really growing that much. And so when I'm measuring my hair, you know, I'm not really looking forward to like massive growth, because I've got my expectation that my hair only grows half an inch every month, and with this being about a month and a half, I'm expecting an inch or so. So anything over that is growth that's gotten from this product. And as you can see, I've just gotten just over an inch there. So it means that using this product, remember, along with cloves, the cloves for growth, the cloves water that I'm using as well, has given me an extra, I would say, a couple of centimeters, as you can see on the last measurement. Once again, this one is just an inch, so that's really on point. And as I said, our hair grows through phase. As you can see, I had a lot of growth last month or the last challenge, so my hair is probably resting now. And so if I don't get as much growth, then that's absolutely fine, because I know it's resting. Now at the back of my hair seems to be growing so fast, and I managed to get just over 1.5 inches in the back of my hair. So using virgin hair fertilizer for 40 days, for 6 weeks, has given me 1.5 inch growth. And so that's absolutely the reason why I say use this product. I've got an extra 1/2 inch of growth that I would not have got if I didn't use that product. And I really want to stress that everybody's hair grows differently, and this is just the rate that mine grows at. So also at the side, I got roughly about 1.5 inches. I'm very happy to say that virgin hair fertilizer has grown my hair, and it will grow your hair too. Try it and do come back and let me know how it works for you. It's something I've used over many years. I hope you've enjoyed this review. Also seen how my hair has grown over the last 40 days. Once again, I did use this along with cloves, so do go ahead and check out my cloves to growth and also my virgin for growth playlist. Also check out the playlist section in general. Lots of useful information. I want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. Once again, do hit the subscribe button if you've not done so, and also give this video a like. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support. Thank you. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.